If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter message that says an unexpected error has occurred, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a simple step-by-step guide, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to refresh your browser setup, disable conflicting extensions, and try a different connection so you can get back into your account. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, on your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the browser data clearing menu. In the window that appears, make sure you clear both cookies and cache. These files can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, and that can trigger login or loading errors on X and Twitter. Once you've selected the right options, confirm the clear action and wait for the process to finish. After that, close and reopen your browser, then try x.com again. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Click the extensions icon in your browser, then look for any ad blocker you have installed. Ad blockers can interfere with X loading properly, especially if parts of the site are being blocked. Turn off the ad blocker, then refresh the page and try logging in again. If that does not fix it, move on to your internet connection. Turn off your Wi-Fi and switch to your mobile data, then try signing in through your phone connection instead. If you were already using mobile data, do the opposite and connect to Wi-Fi instead. This helps you test whether the issue is coming from your network rather than from itself. Sometimes one connection gets temporarily flagged or just fails to load certain site elements correctly, so switching networks is a very effective fix. Go through these steps one by one, and after each step, check whether the error is gone. In many cases, clearing cookies and cache, disabling the ad blocker, and changing your connection is enough to fix the unexpected error message on x.com or Twitter. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.